Please like and subscribe to my channel. People spread the virus that causes COVID-19 to wild white-tailed deer in the United States more than 100 times in late 2021 and early 2022, according to a new study from the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. The infection circulated widely in the deer population, and in at least 3 instances, researchers suspect that humans caught the virus from deer. The study also found that many coronavirus lineages such as Alpha, Delta, and Omicron continue to circulate in deer after they'd left the human population. If the virus continues to circulate in deer as it has in humans, the study suggests that these animals could become a long-term reservoir, allowing the virus to hide out and develop new and potentially more dangerous mutations. Scientists fear that those viruses could then jump back in the human population and spark another severe wave, as they did when Omicron arrived seemingly out of the blue. Although that scenario is concerning, it's still largely theoretical. Watching animal reservoirs. Experts say that a reservoir in wild animals would be a bigger deal if we actually managed to control the virus in humans. But the infection is still spreading among humans, and it's most likely to mutate in us because we're its preferred hosts. The more species it's in and the more transmission that occurs, the greater the risk of new variants. However, it's hard to say whether deer constitute much of a risk in the grand scheme at this point, said Scott Weiss, a veterinarian who studies diseases that pass between animals and people at the University of Guelph in Canada. The U.S. government plans to continue and expand its survey of animals to keep tabs on how the virus moves through animal populations, according to a USDA news release announcing the study results. The study was published Monday in the journal Nature Communications. We'd rather not have it in deer to avoid one more potential mechanism for variant emergence and to avoid exposure to even more wildlife species, said Weiss, who was not involved in the new study. But there's little we could do to stop it from spreading now, he said. Scientists sometimes vaccinate wild animal populations to prevent disease spread, but it's an expensive proposition. Just like there's no vaccine that completely prevents COVID-19 infections from passing between people, there's no inoculation that prevents transmission in animals. Why deer, and humans have strikingly similar AS2 receptors, the gateways the virus uses to break into cells. For the study, scientists spent months collecting nearly 9,000 respiratory swabs from wild deer in 26 states and the District of Columbia. Those swabs yielded nearly 400 viral sequences from 34 lineages of the virus that causes COVID-19. They were able to closely compare those sequences to find viruses in people that were very similar to those found in deer. In 109 cases, researchers say they were able to show that deer had been infected by human viruses. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.